Mix mortar precisely to ensure proper adhesion and long-term durability for a laundry room floor. Start by reading the mortar bag instructions for the specific type you purchased and measure water by volume as the manufacturer specifies. Use a clean 5-gallon bucket and a reliable measuring cup to avoid guesswork. Pour most of the required water into the bucket first, then add mortar slowly while stirring to avoid dry pockets. Use a drill with a mixing paddle at low speed for 1 to 2 minutes until the mix is homogeneous and creamy, then let it rest for the slake period the bag recommends, typically about 5 to 10 minutes, and remix briefly before use. Mix only what you can trowel in about 30 to 45 minutes, because thin-set mortar loses workability and bond strength as it cures. For a laundry room, keep the consistency like peanut butter for wall and floor tile, where the tiles are standard size, and slightly stiffer for large format tiles to prevent sagging or lippage. If you must adjust water, add tiny amounts and remix thoroughly rather than adding extra dry powder, because overwatering weakens the cured mortar. Common mistakes include adding too much water, which creates a soupy mix that reduces strength and increases shrinkage. So measure water carefully and aim for the manufacturer recommended consistency. Another issue is mixing large batches that stiffen before use, which leads to poor bed uniformity, so batch mix quantities that match your trowel output and the room size. A third frequent concern is inadequate mixing technique that leaves lumps and uneven hydration, which you fix by using a powered drill and paddle, scraping bucket sides, observing the slake time, and remixing before application to achieve a consistent paste. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project resources that relate directly to tiling and mortar guidance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share local recommendations to help projects run more smoothly.